All right, y'all, I'm finna pull up on my daddy. I guess he out here barbecuing. He want me to pull up. Mike the Meat Man. Let's see what he got. He out there cooking.
Look at James.
Let's see what daddy got going on.
Mike the Meat Man.
Let's see what daddy got. Let's see.
Hi, Granddaddy. Hi, Granddaddy. That's my granddaddy.
You want to tell the people what you got?
Yeah, I got those steak and potatoes with the socket chutney sauce, steak and potatoes.
Hey, Granddaddy.
How you doing? Steak and potatoes with the socket chutney sauce, rib sandwiches.
And how long you gonna be out here for?
We'll be out here till it's gone.
Okay. And he's located on South Del Mabry and South Temple. He got the grill out. Y'all trying to get something to eat. Especially the people that's coming from the military. Best barbecue in town right now. Come get y'all some food.
Chick-fil-A. She got Chick-fil-A.
Y'all.
You sitting in the front.